Hello everyone, from Tony the Scout Ghost. Today I want to tell you about an experiment I wanted to do with mixed reality. I always looked outside my balcony and thought, what if I could use my Quest to augment what I see outside? Does it work? Because it's very big distances. Is it going to jitter? So I wanted to make a little gaming experiments with the AR foundations and Unity on my Quest 3. And this is the result of my test. So you can see I put a big mecha in the street in front of me and two flying dragons. I tried other kind of models, but I think these ones are that are more emotional effective are cooler to be seen. And as you can see from the video, the result is pretty good, even if Quest has not light estimation, even if Quest is made for indoor and in a room, let's say, usage, so not for such long distances. I think it's pretty cool. I also imagine some interactions. Maybe I can shoot the Mech in the future. And the tracking is quite good. I would say for the static objects, the Mech, when I move my head, it shakes a bit, but then it returns to its position. It breaks a little magic, but not that much. And the dragons instead are pretty cool because they're flying, so even if they jitter a bit in the air, my brain accepts that this is normal because they're flying objects. So let's say that is much better than I thought, and this can open up for a new category of, let's say, window games on the Quest. Who knows? So this is the end of my experimentation. Hope you liked it. Have a good day.